In this video, I am going to show you how to fix bypass YouTube anti-adblock detection. Begin by searching for Chrome Web Store in your web browser. Click on the Chrome Web Store link. Within the store, select Extensions. Now search for Adblocker Ultimate. Click on the Adblocker Ultimate app. Install it by clicking Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. After installation, open YouTube. Select the video you want to watch and you can see the anti-ad blocker should no longer appear. If it doesn't work, go back to the Chrome Web Store. After that, search for uBlock Origin. Now scroll down and click on uBlock Origin. Add it to Chrome by clicking Add to Chrome. Confirm the addition by clicking Add Extension. Consider adding the uBlock Origin extension to the sidebar. Once installed, click on the icon at the top right, then navigate to Options. Under Filter Lists, click on Update Now for the latest version. By following these methods, you should be able to bypass the anti-ad blocker. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.